Hello everyone and welcome to my new YouTube video presentation related to StormGain. Today's topic is how to deposit and how to get around this little task that is worth a lot. We just want to make sure that we do everything correctly. This is Scramble, guys, from Emotionless Crypto Trading, and I am the owner of the most popular and the most comprehensive video series tutorials related to StormGain on YouTube. We're going to get into the topic right away. The first thing you need to do is be logged into your account. If you don't have an account, make sure to create one by using the link located in the description area or comments area. Just right below this video, have everything in order to benefit of bonus on your deposit, less exchange and trading fees that you're going to pay to the platform. You're going to pay less by being a member of my team. So let's get into this, guys. Make sure you are logged into your account. This is the dashboard area you see. So the first thing you want to do here is you need to make sure what would you like to deposit first, because the process is easy. You just want to make sure you want to know exactly what is the token you want to deposit. Is it USDT directly, or is it Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, Litecoin, Ethereum, and Ripple? These are the possibilities. Now, depositing is real simple. For example, for USDT, you click on deposit, and you're gonna see basically this screen right here, which gives you the minimum deposit of 1 USDT and the deposit address, but also the QR code, which is showing up just by clicking on that little button out there, or copy the address. It has been copied. You want to make sure when you paste your address that the first 2 symbols and the last 2 symbols are the same, like on the website. So for example, you want to deposit from a mobile wallet, or you want to deposit from Coinbase, from any other website. You have your wallet right there with Tether. And you need to make sure that the address is correct, guys. That's the way it goes. And then you just have to wait for a number of confirmations, which usually takes between 15 to 20 minutes, depending on the blockchain. It always depends on that. That's how you do with Tether. Now, the same way it goes with Bitcoin. You just click on the Bitcoin, you're going to see the charts, but you're also going to see the deposit tab right here. Click on deposit, basically. You're going to see the minimum deposit amount, address, and QR code, the same structure. And it's kind of the same story with all the other ones, except Ripple, where we should have an extra thing. And let me see if we have one or not. Yes, we do it. We have the deposit tag. Now, if you're familiar with Ripple, you will know that it necessitates, besides the deposit address, a deposit tag as well. Make sure you copy both and utilize both on minimum 7 Ripple deposit, just like it's written right here. You have to check for yourself how much is going to be at the time you're watching this video, because the platform might update it, and then the numbers I'm talking here are not going to be good enough. Christ. So that's pretty much all about the depositing feature and tab that you have to handle correctly. In the next videos, we're going to talk about how to trade, how to set stop limit and take profits, how to do leverage, how to buy crypto with cards, how to exchange between tokens, and all sorts of things, guys. We're going to have a large series of video tutorials posted on YouTube regarding StormGain that we're going to utilize towards. So thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like the video and check out, for those who are looking to become professional traders, check out scramblecoaching.com, my website, where I'm talking about my private one-on-one coaching program, where you can join and start your journey. Thank you once again, and we'll talk to you soon.